Hola amigos, in this video we are going to learn how to use Google Meet for our online Spanish classes. Vamos! Back in the day, Google Meet was known as Google Hangouts, which is an online platform for video conferencing like Skype, but from Google. Now I will give you a small checklist with a few things that you need in order to successfully use Google Meet. You will need to have either a desktop, a laptop, a tablet, iPad, smartphone, or just a land phone. In case you decide to use a desktop or a laptop, make sure you use Chrome because Google Meet won't work very well in Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, etc. etc. In case you would like to use a smartphone, an iPad, or a tablet, you will need to download and install the Google Meet app. It's free and available for everybody. And if you are going to use a land phone, you just need to call the number that you will be given, and I will explain that to you in just a second. Another thing that you will need for your Spanish classes via Google Meet is this: headphones. But headphones that come with a microphone so that you can put them on like this and you can listen to your teacher and you can speak through the microphone. Okay? It could be any type of headphones that have a little microphone. It doesn't have to be anything super sophisticated. And if you are not going to use headphones, you can use the built-in microphone, built-in speakers of your device. Just make sure you are in a quiet space so that you can hear everything correctly and the background noise doesn't bother the other students. And everybody can have a very nice class. Once you plug your headphones in your computer, it will ask you to allow permission to use your headphones and microphone. That's part of the process, so you just click on allow and everything will be fine. And that's all you need to have a Spanish class via Google Meet. Now, let me share my computer screen with you to show you the email that you will receive and what you need to do, okay? Vamos. So you will receive an email like this. And here is the link that you will need to click on. The link is going to be similar, not exactly the same, but similar because every time we have a new video conference, the link changes. And if you are using a phone, you need to dial this number and then enter this pin here. Okay, the pin here. This is going to be helpful in case you are having issues with the audio. You can always This is going to be helpful in case you have issues with the audio. You can still use a computer and dial this number to get the audio via cell phone. Okay, so let me click on this link to see what happens. In case you have a smartphone, tablet, iPad, when you click on the link, you will be taken to the app. And then you just need to plug your headphones and you go from there. When you are using a computer, you will click in here and you will be taken to another window like this. Once you are on the different window, make sure you cancel your camera. As we will have multiple students per class, if we take multiple cameras, it will make the video conference move very slow and we will have problems with connections, etc., etc. For now, just make sure you cancel the camera and that will help the video conference go faster and smooth for everybody. Make sure you have your microphone on though. Okay, so we don't want camera, but we do want a microphone. Then you click on join now and that's it. Here where you see our logo right now, you will see the screen, your teacher's screen, and your teacher will be explaining to you the topic of the day and you can ask questions. The teacher will be able to respond to the questions, etc., etc. In case you need to step out for a second, you can click on mute and you step out, you go out for a second, and then when you get back, you unmute your microphone and you're back to the video conference. Okay, that's it. It's super easy to use. You just click on the link here, and then once you are here, you make sure you have your camera off and your audio on, and in case you need to step out, you mute the microphone. That's it, or unmute the microphone.
Okay?
Thank you very much for watching this video. In case you have any questions or any issues using Google Meet, feel free to contact us, leave your questions in the comments below or send us an email. We'll be very happy to help. ¿Ok? Yo soy Giancarlo y yo apruebo este mensaje. Hasta luego.